In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Scholar profile. So for this purpose, you must need an institution email, because when you are doing research and you are MPhil scholar or PhD scholar, or if you are a professor or in the university, or you are research associate or research assistant, you must have an institutional email. So you just go to Google and write Google Scholar citation. Just write this. When you click that, so here it will give you, the first link will give you Google Scholar citations. Okay, so you just click on this. So when you click on this, so these three things are here. First is profile, articles, and shooting. So you see, now this is you need to give name here. For instance, my name is Kamarwali, but I have already one. In affiliation, let me write new tech. New Tech, National University of Technology. So affiliate email, I must need to write the email kamarnewtech.edu.pk. right? This is email for verification. You see, this must be an institutional email, and I think you can also try with the other email, but what I understand that you must need an institution email. Area of interest, for instance, I write sensors, comma, solar cells, like these are my area. And home page, if you have home page, you can just put the home page here. For example, home page play a very important role. I will show in next video. When you put the home page there, so people will click it, that link, and just like this one. Sorry, this is the home page. So I don't have other home page, but I have the research yet. So I give here the research yet. Sorry, the new tech. The new tech. You see, then my university website. So when you click, so it reached to my university. This is my home page. Okay. So when you just click next, you see here it made the Google Scholar. Here I have 20 articles, but I will delete this because because I have already the Google Scholar, so I don't want to merge this, and I have to delete this. Okay, this is how you make Google Scholar. Now you see, this is the articles, the third is the sitting. If I click this one, but I'm not going to click this one, and I am now going to delete this. How to delete this? Anyway, this is how you make your Google Scholar profile. Okay, so this is now very important thing here. The first one, for example, the one which we put there, name. It is the name is here. Okay, and you can also write the PhD, or you can write the doctor, whatever you have. And this is the affiliation, is the National University of Technology, Islamabad. This is the affiliation you have to put here, and this is the email for verification. And areas of interest, these are sensor, solar cell, just like I put here, advanced material, nanotechnology, dye-sensitized solar cells. And here is the home page, which I give you the new tech here. This is the home page. So when you make it, so it will look like this. So in the third step, you have to attach photographs and those kind of things. Okay, so this is all about how you make Google Scholar profile. It is very, very important, Google Scholar profile. If you want to send someone your CVs, you are applying for job and other kind of things, so it give a very good impression here. This when they see your profile, so it is something like this. They will see your publication, and your work has been cited so many times. And the next video, inshallah, I will try to convince that what is this citation means and what is this H index and what is this O index. People often used to say that my H index is this and my H index is that. Okay, thanks for watching.